How to transfer from Powell Street Station to Union Square Market Street Station. When exiting the train at Powell Street Station, follow overhead signs towards 4th Street. After exiting the fare gates, head to the left. Follow the overhead sign for Ellis and Stockton Street. Make a left into Union Square Market Street Station. After exiting the escalator, trains to your right will be heading northbound towards Chinatown, Rose Pack. Trains to your left will be heading southbound towards Mission Bay, Sunnydale. For more information about service to the Central Subway, please visit sfmta.com/service changes.